Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Mam Goma, the Zulu full-time mama. In this channel, we learn isiZulu. If you are new, welcome and thank you for coming through. And also thank you so much to everyone who has liked the videos and subscribed to this channel. I really appreciate it. Today I'm gonna be doing a video about birthday. I'll try and sing happy birthday song in isiZulu. Sanibona, ngiyanimukela futhi kuleli khasi lethu lapho sifunda khona isiZulu. If uqala ukungena kuleli khasi, ngiyakwamukela. Kuleli khasi ke sifunda isiZulu. Ngiyakwamukela, hlala ke unethezeke. Namhlanje sizofunda iculo olicula lapho ufisela khona osuke ezalwa, usuku oluhle lokuzalwa. A happy birthday song. Ngiyethemba ke nizothokozela nikwazi ukuthi nidlulisele nakwabanye nabo bakwazi ukuthi bafunde ukucula happy birthday song ngesiZulu. Ngaphambi kokuthi siqale ngizothanda ukubonga kakhulu kuba bonke abahlezi bengena kuleli khasi nabathe ba subscriber. Ngiyathokoza kakhulu ukuthi nihlezi ninathi kuleli khasi. Ensukwini ezidlule bengikade nami ngithokozela usuku lwami lokuzalwa ngo-9 January. Namhlanje ke usuku la dadewethu lokuzalwa and ngithe maybe ake ngicule ngifundise ngokucula iculo losuku lokuzalwa. On the 9th of January, it was my birthday, and today it's my sister's birthday. So I thought maybe let me share and teach you how to sing a happy birthday song in isiZulu. Happy birthday to you is usuku olumnandi kuwe, or you can say usuku lokuzalwa oluhle. You can also say usuku lokuzalwa olumnandi. Okay, let me just make an example to make it into a full sentence, or when a person would want to say, I wish you a happy birthday. Ngikufisela usuku lokuzalwa olumnandi. Or you can say ngikufisela usuku lokuzalwa oluhle. My daughter and I are gonna sing happy birthday in isiZulu, and she also offered to try and play the piano while we do it, while we sing. We will start with the English version. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Next, I will do the isiZulu version of the birthday song with usuku olumnandi kuwe. Usuku olumnandi kuwe, suku olumnandi kuwe, usuku olumnandi kuwe, suku olumnandi kuwe. Lastly, I will do another version of isiZulu birthday song, and that is imini emnandi kuwe. Mine mnandi kuwe, mine mnandi kuwe. Mine mnandi kuwe. Mine mnandi kuwe. Those are the two versions, and I hope it's clear and you'll be able to sing happy birthday in isiZulu the next time your loved one or your friends or family have their birthdays. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. We have come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.